Hi, everybody. So you just bought a new car, and it was totally beautiful coming off the showroom floor. They had it all detailed for you and beautiful, just like mine. I got a 2023 Kia Sorento SX, and it was beautiful. Then I went and took it into the country, dust everywhere. It was so fun, little kind of like off-roading. But I wanted to tell you, one of the best ways to keep your vehicle in top condition is to keep it clean, well maintained, because you want to keep things like, look, just this little thing right here. Let me show you. So look how big my Sorento is in the back. All right. So see, like these things right here, these were full of dust because I was out driving in the gravel and the country roads. So like I had to wipe all these off so that this is a moving part. So you want to make sure that you keep everything clean. I vacuumed back here, got everything clean, wiped all the door seals because you want your doors to be able to continue to seal properly. So I wiped down all the door seals also. I'm not perfect at this. This is like, I haven't washed a car in a while. I went through the car wash and remember to turn off your automatic wipers because the SX model does have rain sensing wipers, which is amazing, but you want to turn those off. You can also do your power folding mirrors, fold those in if you want to as well. Just some car wash tips from Chris. All right, everybody, have a great day.